Right down here. At the same time, the NASDAQ started to puke below its VWAP, and that's what got me into this short. And, you know, we took some profit off the table. It was all right, but that's the only trade we had. Ended up stopping out back at my entry point, so we did go green on that trade. And then the rest of the day, it just kind of meandered upwards, and it wasn't really playing very nice. Any of our indicators couldn't really follow it well with volume. So it just wasn't a fantastic day to trade today. Just continuing our sideways slog from yesterday. You can see here we're still underneath this support area from January 19th. There's also a low from December 20th right here, and we're still below those areas. Still trading below the high last Friday. And on the other side, the 200-day is still holding down here. We haven't actually even got close to it. So we're just kind of in this little channel going sideways. Now I do expect this to continue tomorrow as we push closer to the CPI report. That CPI report comes out Thursday morning, and that's really going to push the markets around if that is at an extreme. So if we see much higher inflation than anticipated, the markets will tank. Because the thought being that the Fed is going to have to get very hawkish against inflation, and of course that'll tank down the markets. That'll be the NQ and tech will go first. Similarly, and vice versa, if that comes in well under expectation, and we see a month-over-month decrease of inflation and decrease against the estimates, then we will see the markets rising, and that will, of course, be pushed by tech in the NASDAQ. So that's what we need to watch for coming into Thursday morning. Now for tomorrow, I do expect the markets to continue this sideways action. I'm not sure if they'll stay within the same bounds or not. I would look for an upper boundary, probably the 100 SMA, a lower boundary being the 200 SMA. I know that's a really big area, but I am just looking in that area for the markets to continue tomorrow. It's going to be just like today. It's going to be difficult to trade. Although tomorrow we have an advantage because we can get 0 DTEs on the SPX, so we can make some money there tomorrow. If we can sell 0 DTEs down, like if we get a nice pullback and we can sell 0 DTEs down below the 200-day, I think that's probably going to be easy money for us. We'll have to wait and see what happens tomorrow, but I think that's going to be the trade for me to take tomorrow, and then maybe another small trade in the overall markets, and that'll be to hit our goal. Ending today green, not been green. I'm not going to go brag how much money I made, but it's a little bit. And any day you end green is a decent day, so I'll take it when I get it. And we'll regroup and look at tomorrow. That's what I expect to happen. Thank you everybody for coming today for our live trading. I really appreciate it, and you all have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.